Barnes Road. This is 23 right here. And you can take a right on Barnes Road and go about 5.4 and then add about 2 because I didn't hit that at the right time. So about 5.6 miles. And then you would park on your left and then go to that waterfall. All right, we're headed to White Oak Creek Falls, 37-foot waterfall. It's 1.5 miles round trip, so that's not too bad. And this Jeep road is what we take to get down it. And park right there. And there's supposed to be a couple of waterfalls on the way. As you can see, we just had some good rain. Fort Smith, we're in Ozark area, Franklin County now, I believe, around somewhere in there. But Fort Smith broke a record with over 8 inches of rain, like damn 100-year record or something. Anyway, we're headed this way. Hopefully that waterfall's cooking. Whoa! Oh, this is White Oak Creek Falls, 37-foot waterfall. Here we go, out in the Ozark Mountains.